Look at these three rooms, aren't they beautiful? But what do you think? Which one has a better feng shui? Can you guess it? Well, actually, it all depends on the person who lives in them. Why? Well, stick with me, you're about to find out. Hello dear, welcome back to Multicultural Lingo. On my channel I talk a lot about feng shui because it's a big passion of mine. I've already made a few videos with general tips and rules to follow to enhance energy and balance in your home and make it look good and feel good. However, feng shui is way more than that. In fact, each person should approach feng shui starting from themselves and their qua number. So, in this video you will find out what's the qua number, how to calculate it based on your birth date and gender, and most importantly, how to use it to arrange your home to enhance fortune, wealth, health, and love. Okay, let's jump right in. But before that, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. The qua number, a fundamental concept in feng shui, is a little-known secret to enhancing your home's energy. But what exactly is this mysterious number, and how can it breathe life into your living space? The qua number, also known as the Gua number, is a key element in the ancient Chinese philosophical system of feng shui, which aims to harmonize individuals with their surrounding environment, infusing their spaces with positive energy. Now, the qua number is your personal energy number. It's like your energy ID, if you will. It's calculated using your birth date and gender, serving as your unique energy signature in the universe. This number helps to determine the auspicious and inauspicious directions for each individual, their lucky and unlucky materials and colors. The auspicious directions are believed to bring good luck, prosperity, health, and overall harmony. Conversely, the inauspicious directions are thought to attract negative energies. So, here's how you can calculate your qua number if you were born before the year 2000. First, take the last two numbers of the year you were born in and add them together. If you get a two-digit number, reduce it down further to a single digit. For example, if you were born in 1971, you get 8, but if you were born in 1983, you will get 11, which should be reduced to 2. Now, if you are a male, take the single digit you have obtained and subtract it from 10. For example, if you are a man born in 1971, you'll have 10 8 = 2. This is your qua number. If you are a female, take the single digit and add 5 to it. For example, if you're a girl born in 1983, your qua number is 2 + 5 = 7. In case you get a two-digit number after having added 5, you must reduce it. If you were born after 2000, the math is a little bit different. Males who were born in this new century should deduct from 9 instead of 10. At the same time, females should add 6 instead of 5. Okay, now that you know your qua number, you can better align with the universe's energy flow, enhancing your personal luck and well-being. Using this number, you can arrange your furniture, choose your decor, and even decide the layout of your rooms in a way that best harnesses your positive energy. Let's see how. Knowing your qua number is like having a personal guide to improving your home's energy. It's a tool that, when used correctly, can transform your living space into a haven of positivity and harmony. But how exactly does one apply the qua number in home decor? Firstly, the qua number can help you understand if you are an East person or a West person. Those who belong to the East group benefit from facing and tapping the 4 East group directions: Southeast, East, South, and North. Meanwhile, all West group people benefit from West group directions: West, Southwest, Northwest, and Northeast. The auspicious directions linked with your qua number can tell you where to place your bed for a restful sleep, or your desk for a productive workday. It's like having your very own compass directing you towards positive energy. And the same goes for inauspicious direction, meaning the places you want to spend as little time as possible. But there's more. In fact, each qua number has 4 detailed auspicious and inauspicious positions. The first auspicious position is prosperity, and it gives strong growth and advancement in life. It can be used for advancing your career, starting your own business, and even increasing your chances of having children. This is the position you should be facing while sleeping and working at your desk. Then you have health, which is directly related to your health and vitality, harmony, which impacts your love, relationships, and marriage, and stability that gives you personal development and a peaceful life. Your 4 auspicious directions are balanced with 4 inauspicious directions. The first one is total loss, that is associated with your own self-destruction and can give you depression, anxiety, and other mental illnesses. The 5 ghosts are associated with violence and chaos, while the 6 killings can damage your marriage, career, and your relationship with others. Finally, you have obstacles that lead to loss of energy and motivation. As for colors, your Qua number can be a rich source of inspiration. Each Qua number is associated with certain colors that are believed to enhance one's luck and well-being. For instance, if your Qua number corresponds to the fire element, you might consider incorporating shades of red, orange, or pink into your decor. In addition, your Qua number can also inform your choice of decor elements. If your Qua number is linked to the wood element, wooden furniture or plants can be excellent additions to your home. They can help foster a sense of growth and renewal, keeping the energy in your home fresh and invigorating. Remember, though, that these are just guidelines and should be implemented together with the rules I told you about in my previous videos. Finally, your home should ultimately reflect who you are and what you love. The Qua number simply provides a framework, a way to channel positive energy into your living space. It's not about rigid rules, but about creating a home that feels good to you. So, why not give it a try? Start with one room, maybe your living room or bedroom, and see how applying your Qua number changes the feel of the space. You might just find that your home becomes more than just a place to live, but a place that truly nourishes your life. We've uncovered quite a lot today, haven't we? Now, before wrapping up, I want to give you some practical tips on how to use your Qua number based on my personal experience. I was born in 1987 and I'm a guy, meaning that my Qua number is 4, which if you know Chinese is not a great number because it sounds just like the word death. Yeah, anyway, as you can see in the chart I showed you previously, I belong to the East group, and my auspicious directions are North Prosperity, South Health, East Harmony, Southeast Stability. My inauspicious directions are Northeast, Total Loss, Southwest, 5 Ghosts, West, 6 Killings, and Northwest Obstacles. My material is wood and my auspicious colors are blue and green, which is great because they also happen to be my favorite colors. So, this is what the apartment I live in looked like. When I moved in, the bedroom was in the west, which is exactly where my 6 killings are. A big no-no. So I switched the bedroom with the living room, and now, not only do I sleep in my health direction, but I also have my head facing north when I sleep to attract full prosperity. And of course, my bed is in the command position. For the same reason, I've also turned around my kitchen table so that I can face north when I sit there and work. By aligning your home decor with your personal Qua number, you can create spaces that not only look good but also feel good. You can design rooms that promote relaxation, stimulate creativity, or enhance productivity, all based on your Qua number. Isn't it amazing how a simple number can have such a profound impact on your life? And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know if you have some Feng Shui topics you want me to discuss. Have a lovely day.